Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all the classic Valentine's Day treat, chocolate covered strawberries. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Your sweetheart will go crazy over these and only call for 3 ingredients. And it's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Valentine's Day treats, check out my Valentine's Day treats recipes playlist and my previous video, whipped lemonade. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips and your fresh strawberries, sugar, because we're about to make some chocolate covered strawberries magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, over here I have my double boiler, and you don't want the bowl touching the hot water. We're going to add in 1 bag of milk chocolate chips. Give it a quick stir. You can also use dark chocolate chips. And all we do is let the chocolate chips melt. All right, as soon as our chocolate chips melt, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, our chocolate chips is nice and melted. Nice and shiny. Perfect. And off camera, I removed it from my double boiler. Now we're ready to coat our strawberries. Over here in my bowl, I have a pound of fresh strawberries that I washed and I pat them dry. So we're going to take a strawberry. We're just going to dunk them into the melted chocolate. Like so. Drip off the excess. And then we're going to place them onto my pan. We're going to place it on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with wax paper, or you can use parchment paper. I wouldn't recommend putting them on aluminum foil. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the rest of my strawberries, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my strawberries together. Now it's time for the final touch. Over here, I have some white chocolate chips that I melted. So we're just going to drizzle it right on top of the chocolate strawberries. Like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish drizzling my strawberries, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through drizzling the white chocolate onto my strawberries. So all we do now is place them in the refrigerator. I'm going to let it chill for about 2 hours until the chocolate is firm. Alrighty, I see you in 2 hours. Alright, my friends, it's been 2 hours. They're nice and firm. Perfect. So now I'm about to plate them up, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate covered strawberries. Doesn't that look good? And I'll put them on my heart-shaped platter. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at all that chocolate. Have a bite. The strawberry is nice and sweet, and I love combination of milk chocolate and white chocolate. Oh, and that's like chocolate covered strawberries. These screams Valentine's Day. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-O. Chocolate covered strawberry licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture. Please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Valentine's Day.